pulling up, you got to be careful because you could take one of the links out by it tugging on the step. Yeah, guys, so I'm doing this carpet. Normally, this should be vacuumed. So we're gonna charge for the vacuuming because normally that's not something that we do. It should be vacuumed before we come. Right now, I'm just doing some pre-treating. That actually looks like pet. Papers and stuff. I got the Hydro Force I'm gonna put on, but I just wanted to show you. Sometimes you go to these apartments, they're not ready, you know. And then since they're not ready, after we get done with them, you know, they're gonna mess them up again. You know, look at this one. I went to one today. Working home. See, you know, if we were to walk around with a vacuum, that's definitely, you know, some extra charges. You know, this is extra, yeah, believe that, but it shouldn't be the regular thing. You know, when a carpet cleaner comes to do your carpet, all right, he's coming to clean your carpet, steam clean your carpet. Not move your furniture, not rearrange your apartment, not, you know, all this other stuff. When we come in, we want to lay down chemical with the Hydro Force, let it sit, and we out. That's how it should be. Don't you guys agree, carpet guys? No, to go and get my tools. Basically, I need my Hydro Force and my wand. So I'm about to grab that. What's going on?